Hello everyone, I am Ananya Divyadarshini from University of Delhi, India. I am presenting on the topic Optically Stimulated Luminescence Dating of Quaternary Landforms in the Chitwan Intermontane Valley, Central Nepal, linked to climate and tectonics. The Chitwan Intermontane Valley is located in the central part of the Nepalese Sub-Himalaya. In the Himalaya, there are several intermontane valleys which are locally known as dunes. Dunes trap huge amount of sediments brought down by the Himalayan rivers. They are also traversed by several structures that often undergo tectonic activity due to the ongoing collision between the Indo-Eurasian plates. Therefore, the climatic and tectonic processes ongoing in the region is largely recorded in the sedimentation history of the dunes. In this study, we have investigated the major phases of aggradation and incision in the Chitwan dune, the climatic and tectonic processes and the interaction between the two in driving the incision and aggradation of the landform units in the dune is also studied. We have further correlated our results with the sedimentation history in other parts of the Himalaya. Therefore, we have carried out optically stimulated luminescence dating of surface and terrace deposits in the dune. In our previous study, we have prepared a detailed geomorphic and structural map of the Chitwan dune, which is shown here in figure 2 and 3. We see that there are multiple levels of surfaces, fans and terraces developed within the dune. Now these landforms, they are traversed by several active thrusts. In this study, we have collected OSL samples from 4 locations in the study area. The photograph of the location, the cross section of the sampling site and the lithologs are shown in the results section. From our study, we find that there are 2 major phases of aggradation in the Chitwan dune, one at around 50 to 60 Ka and the other at around 26 to 30 Ka. Now, the 50 to 60 Ka aggradation phase, it coincides with a climatic transition in the Himalayas from a dry to wet period. And it is recorded in other parts of the Himalaya as well by previous workers. Similarly, the 26 to 30 Ka phase, it also represents a phase of extensive aggradation in the Himalayas prior to the last glacial maxima. The incision of the investigated landforms could have resulted due to a weakening of the southwest summer monsoon and extensive glaciation during the LGM. We therefore conclude that climatic fluctuations during the Quaternary period played a very dominant role in the evolution of landforms in the Chitwan dune. However, we also see that the investigated landforms mostly truncate in the vicinity of active structures, which is shown in figure 2, 3 and 3. Therefore, we can say that tectonic forcing also plays a very significant part in the overall evolution of the landforms in the Chitwan dune. Finally, we acknowledge University of Delhi, India for providing us facilities to carry out this research. We are also thankful to the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, India for providing financial support to carry out this study. Thank you.